Part 1. Lookbook. Coming into this project, I knew that I wanted to choose a national park that stood out from the others. Something unique and exciting. Enter the Hawaii Volcanoes National Park. Starting with the lookbook, I was able to gather ideas for my site: colors, typography, inspiration, and layout. I am a fan of minimalist web design, so I searched for good examples of it to use as reference. The main thing I noticed was minimal text paired with great images. What better way to sell a national park? I could simply let the images do the talking. Once I had found my direction, I was able to put together a mock-up of my site. The color palette is fun and tropical. The overall design is minimalist, with plenty of white space. I envisioned a large viewfinder area in the middle of the screen, with navigation off to the side. No scrolling. Everything is presented in one location. While there are some differences between the mock-up and the finished version, I was able to stick pretty close to the original idea. I continuously came back to the mock-up while building my site. All in all, this lookbook assignment allowed me to create a great guide that helped me for the duration of the project. Part 2. Dreamweaver and Bootstrap. Media integration was a great learning experience. I was able to really dig into Dreamweaver and wrap my head around web design. Using what I learned there, I was able to enter Project and Portfolio 6 with confidence. With my mock-ups as a guide, I was able to start building my site utilizing a new tool, Bootstrap. There was a bit of a learning curve with Bootstrap, but as you can see, I was able to make my site fully responsive. I did have to adjust my layout to make better use of Bootstrap, but overall, the spirit of the design is intact. We have a navigation bar at the top of the screen featuring Hawaii's state motto, a large viewfinder, aka Jumbotron, with embedded national park video, bottom footer, and a so large you can't miss it Get Tickets Now button, which takes you to a payment page. One interactive feature that I am quite fond of is modals. I like modals because they allow me to add lots of information to a page while still maintaining my minimalist aesthetic with no scrolling. I think it's more convenient for a user to only see the information that they want to see when they want to see it. Altogether, there are 7 modal buttons on my site. Part 3. Going live. Coming into week 4, the site was basically done. All I needed to do was upload it to a web host and create 2 animated banners that linked to the site. I used the same banners I made in media integration and simply added all of the functionality required. They utilized the same colors and typography as the main site, so users will be able to easily tell that they're a part of the same brand. This project was a massive undertaking, but I'm happy to finally be on the other side. 3 months ago, I knew absolutely nothing about web design, except that it was technical and time-consuming. Now, I have a link to a live website that I created from scratch. I want to say thank you to all of my instructors who helped me get to where I am. Till next time.